How to find story settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find story settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click stories. And as you see here you can manage story settings like story privacy, sharing options, story archive, and stories you muted. And that's it. That's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.